Hi everyone, welcome to ITS workshop. So this is the first video in the web series for Python development. So first of all, I would like to discuss few points about why do we need Python? What's something special in Python which makes it different from other programming languages? Yes, so there are a lot of automated computer tasks which you want to do. So suppose you have to perform a search and replace over large number of text file, and you need to move your file from one server to another server. You need to sort your photo files from one folder, and you need to zip it, and you need to perform some other calculation based on that. You need to create your custom software or GUI application. You need to create your small simple game or anything. So there are a lot of computer automated tasks which can be done very easily using Python, like just having 15 or 20 line of code and still performing any of these tasks very easily, which is not quite simple if you consider other programming languages. For say C++ or Java, it's going to be a little lengthy and difficult as we compare with Python. So Python is a versatile language. If you are performing some Unix shell scripting or Windows bash kind of batch file kind of task, yes. So Python comes to help at that point also, yes. But the thing is, your Unix shell script and Windows batch files may not be good for creating a GUI application. Yes, I cannot use shell script to create my web application. But Python swing both ways. You can do lot of high level tasks. You can create games, GUI application. You can create your websites using Django framework and all. Using Python, you can perform lot of automation at the system level task also. At the server scripting side, and a low level computation task which you consider generally using scripting language. Python is faster, it's simple, easy and faster. It you don't have to compile Python. It's not a compiled language, it's interpreted language. So the development is faster. Yes, you will be surprised to see the code, the 3 to 5 line of code, and is still doing lot of things which other language would take at least 10 to 15 line of code, or creating bunch of files and then compiling it and then bringing it to the software itself. But Python is fast. Yes, it has very high level, it is a high level language. It has high level data type, built-in data types. You have arrays, dictionary, you have list, you have set. You can start using from the day one itself. You can split your program into the modules. You can import one module into another module, and you can do a lot of development. It has a powerful community. There are a lot of modules available for the Python. If you are performing data science, there is NumPy, Pandas available for those tasks. If you are doing unit testing, so there are some 20 plus library we'll be discussing down the line. So creating the module, importing and using all the module into another new module is quite easy with the Python. For input output task, for system calls and socket programming, you can use libraries like Kinter, or some people call it Kinter, whatever you prefer. Then there are many reasons, like we discussed. Python is interpreted language. You don't have to compilation, so you don't need to compile, so you are saving your compilation time. You just take a one statement and you can perform complex operation using the Python doesn't have any sort of bracket. It supports indentation, so we'll come to the concept of indentation, what's that. And you don't have to declare data type for the variable and argument. You don't have to say that I'm going to create a variable name string and then I'm going to assign a value for that. So it's a dynamically written language. Whatever value you supply, that is assigned to the variable itself. Python is extensible. It's quite easy to quite easy to create new built-in functions in the Python. And you can link your Python interpreter into an application written in C. So extension is also quite helpful with the Python. It's quite easy to do as compared to other programming language. So yeah, let us start checking out with what you can do with the Python language itself. So if you are wondering how to install Python, then you can just go to just a simple Google search will help you. You just go to Python download. The steps are really easy. Maybe I can create another video for the installation itself, but it's quite easy. I'm using Linux system, so generally Linux system comes with Python installation itself. So I have Python 2 and Python 3 both versions available in my system. So if I just type Python 3, I get this Python interpreter shell in my system, and I can start writing program with that. If you are using a Windows system, the installation is quite easy. Just search for 8 Python download for Windows, download the installer, and start the installer, and all the instructions are very easy to follow. Next, and your Python is installed within just 5 minutes, I can say. So I can just increase the size for this. Let us start from hello world itself, and then we jump to other topics one by one.